Not a group perhaps as lofty as the Avengers, but there is a group, and they're called the Thunderbolts. The Thunderbolts are finally coming to the screen, and they are a ragtag bunch, and I want you to meet them. Starting with our director, Mr. Jake Schreier. Louis Dreyfus, who's playing Valentina Allegra de Fontaine. We've got the return of David Harbour as the Red Guardian. From Ant-Man and the Wasp, Hannah John Common as Ghost. Wyatt Russell is back as John Walker, a.k.a. U.S. Agent.
Yes!
Not here with us today, but Olga Kurylenko is back as Taskmaster. And there's somebody else who couldn't be here with us today, but she wanted to say a quick hello. Sebastian Stan.